My dear students, in this video I am going to discuss properties of combinations. In our previous video we have derived the formula for combination, and I am also given the relation between the permutations and combinations. In this video we are going to discuss the properties of combinations. Before going to that, we just recall the results. We know NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to n. N and r are positive integers. NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, or r factorial into n minus r factorial, whatever it may be. In both the cases, 0 less than or equal to 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n. See, r is less than or equal to n but greater than 0, positive. And this is NPR. We know NPR and NCR, relation between NPR and NCR, we have seen that NPR equal to NCR into R factorial, or NCR equal to, you divide this NPR by R factorial. NPR by R factorial. This is the relation between the NPR and NCR. Permutation combination. See, you know that NPR equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into etc. n minus r minus 1 terms. If it is r, we have to reduce r minus 1 terms. That means 8p4, we can say 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. That is 8 into 8 minus 1, 7 into 8 minus 2, 6 into 8 minus 3, 5. If it is 4 here, we have to reduce up to 8 minus 3, or n minus r minus 1. R is 4, n is 8, n 8, n minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7, n minus 2, 8 minus 2, 6, n minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5. Okay. If it is 4, we have to reduce 4 terms. Multiply 4 terms by reducing 1 successively. It is nothing but 1680. As the same value of combination HC4 is, you can use this result 8p4 by 4 factorial. 8p4 NCR equal to NPR by R factorial. So 8p4, you know, 8p4, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, n into n minus 1, into n minus 2 into n minus 3. By 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay? So 2 3s are 6, 1 4 2 4s are 8, 14 into 5 70. So 8c4 is 70, whereas 8p4 is 1680. So like that, NPR is up to, we have to multiply n minus r minus 1 terms. So it is nothing but NCR equal to NPR is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into etc. n minus r minus 1 in the numerator divided by the denominator. NCR is r factorial, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into etc. r. This is the idea of finding the values of NCR using NPR and r factorial. One more example, 10C3 equal to, we can reduce from 10, 10, 9, 8, 10 into 10 minus 1 into 10 minus 2 by 3 factorial, 1 into 2 into 3. That's all. It is a method of finding the values. This is 1, 3, 3 3s are 9, 1, 2, 5 2s are 10, So 5 3s are 15. 15 into 8, 120. This is 10 cc. Like that, we have to determine the values of NCR using the result NPR by R factorial. Okay? Now, we are going to see the properties of combinations. The first property, in that first property, we have some sub results. First property 1, NC0 equal to 1. There are n things taken 0 at a time. That means you are not at all taking anything. There are n things. You are not at all taking anything. 5C0 for example. You have 5 chocolates. You are not taking even one chocolate also. 5 chocolates are there. They are not taking anyone from that. Therefore, this is the unit group is these 5 chocolates as considered as one unit. Therefore, 5 NC0 is 1 or 5C0 is 1. This can be derived from this result also. NCR result. NC0 equal to n factorial by r factorial. R is 0. 0 factorial n minus r factorial. N minus 0 factorial. So NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial and n minus r factorial. You can write it out. Our result can be expressed as n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. We can write it also. This result can be expressed as r factorial into n minus r factorial or n minus r factorial into r factorial. Whatever it may be. Both are correct. So NCR is n factorial by r is 0. 0 factorial into n minus r is n minus 0. N minus 0 is n. So n factorial by 0 factorial is 1. N minus 0 is n. N factorial by n factorial is 1. So NC0 is 1. Like that 5. For example, if you have 5 chocolates, we are not taking anyone from that. They will be considered as a one group. So from the results also we can derive. This is the property. Similarly, next one, NCN, it is 1. There are n things, they are considering n things taken n at a time. 5C5. There are 5 chocolates. We are taking 5 chocolates at a time. That is one unit, one group. 5 chocolates are considered as 5 at a time, therefore it is also considered as one group. So NCN, n things taken n at a time is 1. This can be also proved by NCN equal to n factorial by n factorial is r is also n factorial to n minus n factorial. R is n. From the formula, n factorial by r is also n factorial. N minus r is n minus n. N factorial by n factorial n minus n is 0 factorial. You know 0 factorial is 1. N factorial by n factorial into 1. The n factorial by n factorial is 1. So NCN is 1. So this is another property. And also third one, NC1. NC1 is n. That is, there are n things taken one at a time. That is 5C1. There are 5 chocolates. You are taking one chocolate at a time. Therefore, 5 times you can, 5 chocolates, you are taking one at a time. Therefore, how many times you can take? You will take 5 times. So 5C1 is 5. There are 5 chocolates. You are taking one at a time to give 5 students. Therefore, each one get 1. Therefore, 5C1 is 5. So NC1 is n. This is also derived from the result. NC1 is n factorial by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. See, n factorial out of n minus 1 factorial is n factorial can be expressed as n into n minus 1 factorial by 1 factorial is 1 divided by n minus 1 factorial. n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial. N factorial can be expressed as n into n minus 1 factorial. 8 factorial is considered as 8 into 7 factorial, like that. N into n minus 1 factorial. So n minus 1 both numerator and denominator n minus 1 factorial cancel. You will get only n in the numerator answer. NC1 is n. So these are the 1, 2, 3 properties within the property 1. All these 3 properties are considered as a single property. Subresults. Okay. Next property, second, NCR equal to NC n minus R. This is one property, an important property. NCR equal to NC n minus R. It can be derived as NC n minus R equal to n factorial by n minus R factorial by formula. NCR is n factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. By result, NC n minus R is n factorial by R factorial is n minus R factorial into n minus R factorial is n minus R factorial by formula. So n factorial by n minus R factorial into n minus n cancel, you will get minus R minus plus R factorial only. N cancel. If you take the bracket out, you will get a bar. You can take the bar out of that, n minus n plus R. Factorial. That is n factorial by n minus R factorial into n cancel, will get just R factorial. It is nothing but NCR. So NC n minus R equal to NCR. This is the result. It can be used to solving the problems. You can find 8C5. It is nothing but 8C8 minus 5. NCR equal to NC n minus R. That is 8C3. 8C5 equal to 8C3. 5 plus 3, 8 you know. In the R terms, if you add these R terms, R 5 plus 3, you will get n. 8C5 is equal to 8C8 minus 5. You can check that 8C5, 8C5 is 8 into, what is that, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, like that. 8, 7, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times by 5 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 5, 5 cancel, 4, 4 cancel, 2, 3 are 6 also cancel. You will 8, 7 are 56 only. Where similarly 8C3, 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3, 2, 3 are 6 cancel, 8, 7 are 56. So both are same. So 8C5 equal to 8C8 minus 5, that is 8C3. This is the property used here. This is very useful for solving bigger problems. Suppose 20C, 23C, 21. It is impossible to find 23C, 21, 23 terms divided by 21 factorial. It is simply we can write it as 23C, 23 minus 21 is 2. 23 minus 21. 23C2, it is, instead of finding 23C21, it is enough to find 23C2. That's all about this property. Okay? Next, third property, if NCX equal to NCY, then X plus Y equal to N. X plus Y equal to N. If NCX equal to NCY, then X plus Y equal to N. NCY can be expressed as NC n minus 1. NCY can be expressed as NC n minus 5 by the previous property 2. By property 2, we can write it as NCY equal to NC n minus 5. Therefore, we can write NCX equal to NC n minus 5. NCX equal to NC n minus 5. These two are equal. Therefore, X equal to n minus 5, you bring this y to the left hand side, it becomes x plus y equal to n. This is the derived. X equal to n minus y, you bring minus y to the left hand side, x plus y equal to n. So if ncx equal to ncy, then x plus y equal to n. For example, 9c5 equal to 9c4. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Okay, this is the formula. 9c5 equal to 9c4. 9 minus 5 is 9c4. 9 minus 6. Therefore, 5 plus 4 equal to 9. NC x equal to NCY, then x plus y equal to n. Like that, 5C5 equal to 9C5 to 9C4 implies 5 plus 4 equal to 9. This is the application of this property, and thereby I conclude this video, and we will continue the remaining properties in my next video. Thank you.